What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Hacktivist Mechanic channel. I've been pretty busy, so I haven't posted too much lately, but have a couple projects I've been working on that I've been waiting to do for a while. Now, behind me is my 2016 Lexus GX460, and I love this car. It's great for a daily commuter, carries all my stuff for my kids and everything, and it's very reliable. It's got good power. It looks good. I love the car. The one thing I don't like is the nav system, speakers, CarPlay, all that kind of stuff. Now I can connect my phone, but it doesn't have Apple CarPlay, and I just find it very clunky. The nav system is crap, the GPS I don't use. So I'm basically using my phone all the time, which sort of defeats the purpose of the central nav that it has. So what I've done is I bought the Hamilton unit to replace this. I'm gonna show you a little bit about that unit. There's plenty of videos on this. GX Bob's been very helpful. Hamilton himself has a great YouTube video, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my car and tell you a little bit about how that works and what I think about it. So let's take a look. First things first is our factory nav unit here. I don't have the car on right now. I've already taken the negative battery terminal off. But anyways, this is the setup. You guys have probably used to Lexus or Toyota, have seen this before. You know, it's fine. It's just the GPS doesn't work great. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this entire unit here on the top with a new unit and a new screen. These are gonna be rerouted down below. I'll show you that here in a second. And we're gonna take off this whole thing. So to do this, we've got to take a few things off. We've got to take some panels off, which I've already done over here. This is gonna come off. This is gonna come out, this radio here. This whole thing's gonna come out. We gotta take a few trim pieces off. Doesn't look too difficult. There are a lot of wires, but I've watched a couple videos on this, so hopefully it won't take it too long. Okay, so this is the actual back of the Hamilton unit, which I've taken the time to already basically wire up and install the new AC vent rerouters here. I used this this video by GX Bob to show me how to connect all these wires. There's a couple of main wiring harnesses. They're all very well labeled, as you can kind of see. It's kind of a jigsaw puzzle. Everything should fit in one place. It doesn't go multiple places. And so I've wired up from the top here, which is behind these two things I've installed. And then the wires run down the middle, and then we're gonna connect them inside the car. But let me see if I can get this up without sort of breaking this unit or also screwing it up. But here is our new Hamilton unit here. It's got a screen on top. As you can see, the AC vents run below. Down here is all the buttons. What I like about this is it's manual buttons. It's not all screen, because I just don't like touching everything on the screen. The buttons are a lot better. So this thing has gotten great reviews. It's not cheap, I'll tell you that much, but they have great customer service, 24-hour customer service. It's very well made. I think it's made in China, but Hamilton partners directly with the manufacturers. They come to the US to help them make it. So I think it's a pretty good unit. So let's go ahead and get the car apart so we can start putting this thing in. All right, we are making good progress. Center console's out, radio's out, top's out right here, as you can kind of see. Trim panel pieces are out here. You got to take some of these off. I've got radio and everything sitting in the back. So yeah, now it's time to reconnect all of our wires, which there's a lot. I'm going to use GX Bob for this one and then start reinstalling. But yeah, we're making pretty good progress here. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it took us an hour or so. We are in business, it looks like. Let's go get some ASMR right here. Take that off. Very nice. This is a great looking unit here. So hopefully everything is working, but let's start with going down here. These controls do work, so I can go to mode and go to, turn everything back on. So let's go to, so we get the radio going. Yeah, so this is the usual original nav system. So there we go. So this works. Okay. And then if we hold this button down here, should switch to CarPlay. There we go. And we can just link it here. And I've had the battery off, so that's why we're kind of starting over from scratch. But we can go and connect to our iPhone, which we've done. Let's see if we can. All right, so you can see we have CarPlay up here. If we go to our menu, there's our CarPlay. Now to get it to work with the speakers, we've got to have this. We have the mode on auxiliary. So if I go to satellite, the next one should be auxiliary. And let's see if we can get it. Yeah. So then if I go to, let's say, Spotify, and I want to listen to Joe Rogan.
It was like a part of being on stage.
There we
almost,
go.
You know, it was expected.
Right.
No,
And
it was.
that's why we all felt real comfortable in this, comics only club.
So that works. So then here we've got our climate control, which you can see pops up here over on the right. And I can go up here or I can go down here. A lot of different buttons, so you can feel it coming out. Air vents here. Our hazards work. Okay, I gotta set our clock. Overall, this is a pretty sweet unit, so very happy with this. It's gonna take some time to get used to, but I got a great display. Let's look at Google Maps. That's probably my biggest thing here is that Google Maps, I haven't been able to use it or the nav, and so now I've got Google Maps on here. So I'm gonna go to Premier Volleyball here shortly. So go Google Maps, boom, and there's our map there. So all in all, this is pretty great. All right, guys, there you have it. Our Hamilton GX system has been in. This is a video I'm making 2 weeks later because the outro video that I made originally didn't work, but I've had a chance to drive the 460 with this Hamilton unit for a good 2 weeks now, and it's great. It's a great system. I love the interface. Having CarPlay is awesome. My only complaint is when you press a button like pause or you change a song or whatever it is, there's about a 2 to 3 second delay. That's just, splitting hairs. It's something I can deal with, but really happy with the system that we put in. Again, it was easy to do. Shout out GX Bob, who showed me how to wire the thing up. Also, Hamilton has a great video on how to install. I kind of used a combination of both of how to install it because they were slightly different, but both worked. Didn't have any problems putting this thing in. I had to call Hamilton one time and didn't really have an issue, and they fixed it. So awesome product, highly recommend. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, follow, all that stuff. We'll catch you next time.